another controversy surrounding the Associated Journal, which is linked to the Congress's first family. CNN-IBN has accessed details raising fresh questions. RTI documents accessed by CNN-IBN show more land was given to Associated Journal's owners of the National Herald. Premium land in Bandra in Mumbai was given to the company for building a Nehru Memorial Library and Research Centre. RTI documents show Associated Journals squatted off the land and did not build that library. Associated Journals got repeated extensions from the Maharashtra state government on this, despite owing the government 3.7 crore rupees in lease rentals. Associated Journals facilitated the building of a housing society adjoining their land.
This 3,479 square meters of prime land in Mumbai suburb of Bandra was given by the state government to Associated Journals Limited in 1983 to build a Nehru Memorial Library and Research Centre. Almost 3 decades later, Associated Journals, now acquired by the Gandhi's Young Indian, continues to squat on the land. No library or research centre was ever built. RTI documents show while the company did not use the land for the purpose it was granted for, it continued to get repeated extensions from the state government. Associated Journals Limited owes the government in excess of 3 crores in unpaid lease rent. In the year 2000, Associated Journals wrote to the collector seeking a realignment of boundaries of their plot. Subsequently, one portion of that land was given to a housing society, Sai Prasad, where former Mumbai Congress Chief Kripashankar Singh and a number of bureaucrats now live. The RTI activist who sought these documents has now written to the Chief Minister asking why the land allotted to Associated has not been reclaimed.
हमने मुख्यमंत्री पृथ्वीराज चौहान को जो पत्र लिखा है उसमें सवाल खड़ा किया है क्योंकि इसके जो मालिक इसके सर्वे सर्वा राहुल गांधी जी होने से आप में कोई गट्स है कि आप इस कंपनी पर कार्रवाई करेंगे, इस कंपनी को वापस अपने पास में लेंगे.
The Chief Minister says the matter is yet to come to him.
I will only tell you after I get full information.
For many, this piece of prime land is at the heart of the allegations that Subramaniam Swamy made last week, that the Nehru Gandhi family, who are shareholders in Young Indians, the company that controls Associated Journals, are interested not in the newspapers it runs, but in the land worth crores it controls. In Mumbai, Smita Nair.
As she said, Subramaniam Swamy, who first raised this controversy surrounding Associated Journal, has now applauded CNN-IBN for this latest investigation.
It has always been my complaint that both, not only the Congress, which is understandable, but the BJP NDA government headed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee was very soft on her. So I think you can assume that this is because the governments have been, and that's why they've been so brazen. It is a scandal, the way the whole thing has been taken over and by a sleight of hand, and I certainly will be going to court on this. And I'm very happy that the CNN-IBN is doing investigative work on this.
Smita Nair, who brought us this story, now joining us live from Mumbai. Smita, we are trying to present both sides of the story. So can it be argued that it was just an oversight on the part of the state government, that it did not know that this land was not being used for the purpose it was allotted for?
An oversight for 29 years, that would seem a little improbable, Palki. Add to it the fact that several other entities that were given land by the government for a set purpose, for development of the land for a set purpose, and failed to do so, quite like Associated Journals Limited has failed to do so for 29 years. The government has acted against them with great alacrity, repossessed their land, imposed penalties on several of those entities, including in the suburb that we're reporting from, Bandra. Plus, add to the fact that as late as 2000, Associated Journals Limited wrote a letter to the collector seeking a realignment of the plot of land that was given to them, saying that we are now looking to reconstruct the land of the whole property, and that we would need a clear-cut demarcated area, which is why we're seeking a realignment of the land that you had given to us in the year 2000. Even so, between 2000 and 2012, we've seen nothing come up in that piece of land except for a ramshackle shed.
What is the status of this land right now, Smita, and its ownership, and also the state government's defense? Is it even considering reclaiming this land?
Palki, I must point out that this land was given to Associated Journals in the year 1983 on a 30-year lease, provided that they build on that land the library or the research center. They said they would within a period of 2 years. Once they did not do so, it was incumbent on the government to reclaim that land or at least impose a penalty on Associated Journals and ask them certain questions. Despite that, for 29 years, no such move on the part of the government is apparent from the documents that we've gathered. Plus, add to it the fact that the year 2004, there was an attempt made by Associated Journal, some would say, to possibly take ownership or possession of that land. They had written, in fact, to the government asking for the possibility of those 3,000 odd square meters of land to actually be handed over to them as ownership, or at least for them to be given the permission to transfer that land. Remember, land given on lease, you cannot quite do so. In fact, the government even had some would say considered doing so, but had said that they would have to pay an amount which was excess of 10% of the market rate at that point in time, which is possibly the reason why that proposed move actually fell through.